The top story that we're following this morning, the coronavirus crisis. According to Johns Hopkins University, we are up to 14 million cases globally and more than 600,000 deaths, a 40% increase in cases in under 3 weeks. Here at home, the Trump administration saying we need our doctors focused on the pandemic response, which is why the White House says it's now blocking CDC Director Robert Redfield from testifying before Congress about how to reopen schools safely. ABC's Trevor Ault is joining us now from New York with the very latest on the surge. Trevor, good morning.
Good morning, Whit. To be frank, the onslaught continues this morning. More than half the United States now reporting their daily COVID-19 death tolls are increasing, and this week 4 states hit record daily highs. Now, health officials are loudly urging people to wear masks, but in some areas they continue to get pushback. Coming off another record day of new COVID-19 cases, health officials are telling Americans in blunt terms, if you want to stop the spread, you have to wear a mask.
You have a choice. You can wear a mask or you can have a tube in your mouth.
28 states, Puerto Rico, and Washington, D.C. have now issued mask mandates. And Dr. Anthony Fauci, the country's top infectious disease expert, says he hopes to see more of them.
I would urge the leaders, the local political and other leaders in states and cities and towns to be as forceful as possible in getting your citizenry to wear masks.
But the president making it clear he will not issue a national mask mandate.
And I don't agree with the statement that if everybody wear a mask, everything disappears. And as you know, masks cause problems too. With that being said, I'm a believer in masks.
Several major retailers, including Lowe's and Home Depot, have now joined the list of national chains requiring face coverings, but more drastic measures may be necessary. An unpublished document prepared for the White House Coronavirus Task Force this week and obtained by the Center for Public Integrity says 18 states are in a red zone for COVID cases, recommending those states scale back reopenings. Florida has now logged 3 straight days with more than 10,000 new cases, testing sites like the Miami Dolphins Hard Rock Stadium with massive lines, as other locations say they've had to close because they don't have enough supplies. In Osceola County, the sheriff's office is searching for so-called COVID parties by helicopter and sending deputies in to try to break them up. On the front lines, military medics are deploying, hoping to help with the deluge of patients in places like Texas, which just reported its 4th straight day of record deaths.
Today marks our 4th month on the trenches.
Dr. Jomaris Pena has not had a full day off since mid-March. She first helped fight the virus in New York City. She's now on the ground in Houston.
Yeah, we have to help each other.
And the Lister family in Houston knows that all too well. All 5 of them contracting the virus.
I always wondered when I hear people say, I'm tired, I'm ready to just go to heaven, I'm ready, I could never empathize with that until COVID hit my body.
Well, I prayed that my whole family will be relieved from the pain because it was so bad.
Luckily, 19-year-old Davion was asymptomatic, and by himself, he nursed his parents and brothers back to health.
And I was seeing the rest of my family go through pain, and I just wanted to do everything I could to help them out.
And while more than a dozen states are now rolling back their reopenings, on Monday here in New York City, they're going to move forward into phase 4, allowing more outdoor activities. But indoor activities like restaurant dining, those are going to remain restricted. Eva?
All right, Trevor, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.